Welcome to the channel PhysioSource. Today we will talk about one of the most important skills for every student, how to write answers in exams to score maximum marks. Most students don't lose marks because they don't study enough, they lose marks because they don't know how to present answers in exams. The moment you read a question, only three things can happen. Either you know the answer very well, you know it partially, or you don't know it at all. And each situation needs a different strategy. If you know the answer very well, don't start overwriting everything you remember. Structure it properly. Use headings, points, diagrams, and flowcharts. If you partially know the answer, don't panic. First note down all the important points you remember, then expand them one by one. And if you don't know the answer completely, try to recall related concepts, basic logic, and scientifically relevant points instead of leaving the page blank immediately. One of the smartest exam techniques is, never start the full answer immediately. First write rough points mentally or briefly on paper. Why? This creates a roadmap while writing, reduces chances of missing points, and immediately shows the examiner that you understand the topic. Another important thing is writing according to marks. Many students overwrite easy answers and underwrite difficult ones. But your answer should match the weightage of the question. A 5-mark answer should be short and to the point. A 15 or 16-mark answer should be more detailed, with proper headings, explanation, diagrams, and conclusion. Many students lose marks because they overwrite simple answers and then don't have enough time for important questions later. Now let's talk about diagrams. You do not need artistic drawings in exams. Simple line diagrams with proper labels and arrows are more than enough. And remember, a good diagram should explain the concept itself. You don't always need to rewrite the same thing again in paragraph form. In fact, even non-diagram topics can be converted into flowcharts. This saves time, reduces hand fatigue, makes pages look more organized, and becomes easier for the examiner to read quickly. So always try to convert long paragraphs into points, tables, classification trees, or flowcharts whenever possible. Now here's something many toppers do. Before starting the paper completely, they quickly scan all questions and identify easy questions, high-scoring questions, and questions requiring diagrams. This helps them manage time more efficiently during exams. And finally, remember this. Exams are not only testing what you know, they are also testing how clearly you can present what you know. So the final rules are simple. Think in points first, write according to marks, use diagrams smartly, convert information into visual form whenever possible, and focus on clarity more than quantity. Because average students try to write more, but smart students try to make the examiner understand faster. If you found this video helpful, comment the topic or subject you want next. And don't forget to subscribe to PhysioSource for more practical student guidance, physiotherapy learning, and exam strategies.